Guys, imagine this, a full charge in just 25 minutes. A battery that actually lasts 2 full days. A 250 megapixel camera that genuinely challenges professional DSLRs. And under the hood, the Exynos 2600, a processor designed to melt through every high-end game like butter. Now, what if I told you the price is just $799? Sounds like a dream, right? But this isn't just a fantasy. This is the Samsung Galaxy P5 5G, the phone that has completely hijacked the internet before it's even officially launched. If you are looking for the most powerful, stylish, and insanely affordable flagship of 2026, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we are tearing this phone apart, its camera, its processor, its massive battery, that gorgeous display, and that absolute bombshell of a price. So, stick around until the very end. Let's get into it. Display. Let's start with the thing you'll be interacting with every single second, the display. The Samsung Galaxy P5 features a massive 6.75-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display. But the real magic lies in the 144 Hz refresh rate. You heard that right, 144 Hz. Whether you're scrolling through your feed, sweating in a competitive game, or watching a blockbuster action movie, everything is going to feel incredibly fluid and liquid smooth. On this panel, 4K videos look breathtaking, colors are vibrant, and the blacks are perfectly deep. And for the clumsy ones out there, don't worry, it's protected by Gorilla Glass 7 Plus, making it resistant to drops and scratches. Plus, it comes with an IP68 rating, so whether it drops in the pool or gets caught in a dust storm, it's going to survive. To top it off, you get an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks the phone in mere milliseconds. Camera setup. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the real X factor here? It's the camera. Samsung has absolutely pulled out all the stops this time. The Galaxy P5 is rocking a 250 megapixel primary camera. Yes, 250 megapixels. This isn't just a marketing number, this is a sensor that captures every tiny detail, every strand of hair, every drop of rain, with the precision of a professional DSLR. But the story doesn't end there. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera to capture massive landscapes in one shot, a 32 megapixel wide sensor for cinematic portraits, and an 8 megapixel macro lens for those insane close-ups of flowers and textures. For the videographers, this phone supports 4K video recording that is rock steady and jerk-free. And if you thought the selfie game would be weak, think again. Samsung packed a 50 megapixel front camera into this thing. Just imagine the level of detail on your socials. Performance. To run a camera setup like that, you need a beast of a brain. Inside the P5 roars the Exynos 2600 chipset. Forget the old Exynos chips that used to run hot. This is a new era. Built on a 2nm process technology, this is the most powerful, efficient, and coolest chipset Samsung has ever produced. It means even with all that power, the phone stays cool and consumes less battery. It ships with the latest Android 17 right out of the box. Between this processor and that camera, your gaming and multitasking experience is going to be on a whole different level. Battery life. Now, let's talk about the most impressive part, the battery. The Samsung Galaxy P5 comes with a monstrous 7000 mAh battery. That is huge. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a non-stop content creator, this phone will easily last you 2 days on a single charge. And the best part, it supports 120-watt fast charging. Picture this. You wake up, your phone is dead, you plug it in, and in just 25 minutes, you're at a full 100%. That is a complete game changer for anyone living a fast-paced life. Price and launch date. So, let's get down to the big questions. How much is it, and when can you get it? According to the latest leaks, the Samsung Galaxy P5 5G is expected to be priced right around $799. As for the launch, reports suggest this bombshell will drop in December of this year. It looks like Samsung wants to give its fans the ultimate holiday gift just in time for Christmas and the New Year. So, guys, what do you think? Can the Samsung Galaxy P5 5G actually take down the current flagships on the market? Is that 250 megapixel camera the ultimate game changer we've been waiting for? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment down below and let's talk about it.